Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, you must have heard the term intuition. What is intuition? Intuition in Sanskrit or Hindi is called Sahaj Gyan or Sahaj Bodh. Gyan, information which comes without effort, intuitively. Right? Now the dictionary says intuition is the ability to understand something instinctively without the need for conscious reasoning. In actual fact, this information which is coming to you intuitively is coming from the realms beyond the physical, from superconscious states where your overself is. And in those realms beyond the physical, reasoning doesn't work. Reasoning operates only in the physical world, material world. That is why so many people who are blinded by science, they are unable to understand. They reason it out. If there is God, then who made God? They cannot understand something which doesn't have beginning and doesn't have end. Right? Reasoning doesn't work there. So you can have those experiences, spiritual experiences, through your own efforts inside you, through meditation. Reasoning doesn't work. Right? Now your overself is all the time sending messages to your brain, important messages, which can help you to be on the right path, to develop spiritually. But normally our mind is not free. Our mind is not tranquil, calm. There is so much static, in other words, noise in our mind. Because of this all the time chattering going on, self-talk, unnecessary thoughts. So the weak messages, signals coming from your whole self are lost in this noise. If your mind is quiet, then it acts as a very powerful trance receiver. Now this is mentioned by Paramahansa Yogananda ji in his book Autobiography of a Yogi. He says, intuition is soul guidance appearing naturally in man during those instants when his mind is calm. Nearly everyone has had the experience of an inexplicably correct hunch or has transferred his thoughts accurately to another person. The human mind, see, this is where he is written, the human mind freed from the disturbances or static of restlessness is empowered to perform all the functions of complicated radio mechanisms, sending as well as receiving thoughts and tuning out undesirable ones. So when your mind is tranquil, calm, free from the static or noise, then it acts as a very powerful trance receiver. A receiver to receive the signals telepathically coming from your dear ones or from your overself, and as a transmitter to broadcast your thoughts to your dear ones through telepathy. Now for both these conditions, for receiving signals and for transmitting your thoughts, the basic requirement is a calm, tranquil mind. Right? But for transmitting, for acting as a broadcaster, for transmitting your thoughts through telepathy, you need to have greater willpower, determination. The more willpower you have, more self-confidence and believe in your abilities natural abilities, and greater willpower, determination that acts as a strong current which is required to transmit your thoughts, signals. Right? So a calm mind and a strong willpower, determination and self-confidence. Confidence in your abilities, natural abilities which you can develop. This telepathic ability is there. It is latent. You can develop it. Right? Now your overself can know beforehand if you are heading towards any danger, any accident, because the probabilities of any future event can be known by your overself. Then if you develop intuition, if you keep your mind calm, then your overself in certain conditions when you are heading towards some danger, the overself can warn you, guide you, and you can prevent that accident. But the basic requirement is having a tranquil mind, calm mind. That is why the great sage Patanjali in his Yoga Sutras has emphasized on having a calm mind, getting rid of the modifications of mind, unnecessary thoughts, chattering, self-talk going all the time in our brain, in our mind. Right? So developing intuition can give you very fast spiritual development and also give you lot of knowledge, information intuitively, which in Sanskrit we call Tattva Gyan, which cannot be had from books. Right? Yes, books give you lot of information, knowledge, yes, but certain things which cannot be learned when you are on the spiritual path, which cannot be learned through books, they require intuitive realization. And for that you can develop intuition. See, females have greater power of intuition than as compared to males. Right? I hope this video will help you to understand what intuition is and how you can develop it. Right? Thank you for watching.